Every fortune begins the same way, with just one idea. But ideas alone don't pay the bills. The real difference between dreamers and doers? Doers know how to turn skills into cash flow. If you're ready to do the same, here are 4 steps to turn your skills into income. 1. Identify your skill. Your skill is your seed. It could be design, teaching, cooking, writing, even problem solving. But seeds don't grow sitting on a shelf. Think about J.K. Rowling. She wasn't famous, she wasn't wealthy, just a single mom with a gift for storytelling. That gift became Harry Potter, a billion-dollar empire. 2. Package the skill. A skill on its own is potential, but when you package it into a product or service, it becomes value. Knowledge turns into a course. Design becomes a business. Discipline becomes consulting. Jeff Bezos did exactly this. He didn't start with the Amazon we know today. He started with one skill, his understanding of logistics. He packaged it into selling books online. That single decision grew into the world's largest marketplace. 3. Monetize the skill. Don't wait for perfect. Start small. Offer your service online, freelance, or right in your community. Test it, improve it, charge for value, not just time. Oprah Winfrey started in local radio. Her communication skills were raw and unpolished, but she used them to her advantage. That small start became her own network and eventually a multi-billion-dollar brand. 4. Scale the skill. Your first $100 proves the blueprint works. From there, reinvest, automate, and expand. What started as a skill becomes an asset, and assets create cash flow. Elon Musk began with coding Zip2 and PayPal. Instead of stopping there, he reinvested. Today, those first ventures paved the way to rockets, cars, and entire industries. That's the power of scaling. Your breakthrough isn't waiting on the perfect idea. It's waiting on the skill you already have. Stop waiting for opportunities. Start creating them. Just like Rowling, Bezos, Oprah, and Musk, turn your idea into income. Turn your skill into cash flow. And if this message speaks to you, don't just watch. Join the movement. Subscribe, share, and spread this with someone who needs it. Because the best gift you can give isn't money. It's knowledge that changes lives.